Hi everybody and welcome to the Unquendor Guitars workshop. My name is Daniel and this is the final episode in the video series where I'm building one of my custom Nessa guitars. And as you can see, I have a whole lot of parts laying on the bench that need to go into this guitar. It's going to be a very busy day getting this guitar playable, so let's get busy. And I'm going to start with installing the string ferrules to the back of the guitar and the bridge to the front. Let's start with the string ferrules. And of course install the bridge. Next up, some tuners. So the tuners are in, bridge is on, time to get the fretboard in the absolute best condition it can be. First, of course, some fretboard conditioner. So, with the fretboard and the frets polished, it's time to start working on the electronics. And this guitar is going to be fitted with some Fishman Fluence Tosin Abashi signature pickups. So let's hook up the battery pack. So, and here we go. So the pickups are in, all the electronics are done. Time to fit the nut, and to help me fit the nut I'm going to install the 2 E strings. Just 2 tiny drops of super glue. Just like that. So with the nut in place, we can start adding the rest of the strings. Almost a playable guitar. I'm so excited. So stretch the strings and do the first setup. Yeah, with the guitar in tune, I first want to check how the neck is holding up now that it's under tension for the first time. Yeah, minor adjustment needed for the truss rod, as is to be expected. Something like that. And the next step is setting the action. And to set the action, I have a string height gauge, which I'm going to put on the 12th fret. And I'm going to adjust the saddles until I have my required string height. And I'm looking for 1.5 millimeters, so 1.5 mils is how I usually set up my guitars. Yeah, here we go. And let's tune the guitar once again. And now with the guitar in tune, it's time to set the intonation. And to set the intonation, I'm going to play the open string and make sure it's perfectly in tune. And now I'm going to fret the 12th fret. And this should be an E. Check the open string again. And you can see the 12th fret E is a bit flat. That means that this part of the string, so between the bridge and the 12th fret, is too long. So we're going to shorten it a tiny bit by moving the saddle slightly forward. Tune the string again. You can already tell we have to tune up to get it to an E. And now we're there. I'd also like to check the A. Still a tiny bit flat. B, A, E, G. The intonation on the E string is set. Now I have to do all of them. Bit sharp, so we have to move this a tiny bit back. So the guitar is pretty much intonated, and of course I have to repeat this in a couple of days when everything has settled in. But let's see, open E, 12th, an A and a G, pretty good. Open A, 12th, E, D, C right there. Here we are. Most important notes. E, nice. It's in tune and intonated. Yeah guys, the guitar seems to be working perfect and I couldn't be more happy with the end result. Yeah, I'm over the moon with it, and yeah, I'm also very curious to know what you guys think and your opinion on the guitar. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys' reaction. I think most of you want to see a demo, a proper demo of this guitar, and I won't include a proper demo in this video. If I'm going to do a demo, I have to find someone who can do the demo for me, and that will be most likely in a separate video, so keep an eye out for that one. And yeah, unfortunately guys, with the guitar plugged in and playable, this means this building series has come to an end. I want to thank you all for watching and supporting me. And yeah, if you have any further questions, suggestions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, if you liked the entire build, the guitar, or maybe just this video, yeah, let me know also by leaving a like. If you'd like to support me more directly, you can leave a tip in the description down below, or of course get yourself a nice t-shirt from the Unquendor Guitars goodie store underneath this video. I really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me so I can keep making these videos. And that said guys, unfortunately this is the end of this video. I hope to see you all in the next one, but until then, as always, take care and bye bye.